What's up, all my JuBelles and JuBeaux? It's your girl JuBelles coming in with a video. But this Telfar bag that I just got, I'm so in love, y'all. Oh my god! I was just looking for another shopper that wasn't like $3,000 because half of this stuff is not even worth it. But hey, I had to give it a try. This is my first Telfar bag, so we're gonna see how this goes.
Don't be afraid, baby. I'm gonna make you surrender, baby.
Look, y'all, I'm just gonna have to film this video however it comes out because we're trying to get this setup worked out still. But I am so excited about my new bag that just came in. I just got a Telfar bag and I got it during the what is it, like Black Friday sale, I guess. It was like November 17th through the 22nd or something like that. I ordered the first day. It's my first Telfar bag and I'm so excited. Let me show y'all how it came. It came in a regular brown box like this. Little Telfeezy. Little Telfeezy. My guy friend said, you bought all this camera equipment, you need to go ahead and get on your YouTube. So I'm just like, listen, we ain't got nothing to lose. We ain't got nothing but to gain. So let's see. Coming out the bag with the 1-2, with the 1-2. Ooh, that's very nice. Ooh, y'all, I love it. I love it. I love it. Here's the back of the bag. Side. It's really structured compared to the other ones that I've seen. I chose this one because of that. It has feet on the bottom. Nice little clunk when you put it down. Come with the little Telfeezy little strap on the top. I'm sorry, y'all. I look beat, but and not beat in a good way. Looking like a bum bum. But I just had to show y'all this. It's a little extra strap so that you can wear it like crossbody style. And then I'll hit it. I guess open this up. Little brown strap. Little brown strap. Gum metal, it says. I don't know if y'all can see that. It says Telfar on it. Right there. We ain't gonna focus on it too long. If it don't focus, it don't focus. Y'all just gonna take pictures later. I'll go ahead and copy one. Go ahead and copy one. I wanna say this bag retail for like it was for $240 with taxes where I live in Louisiana, and that boot baby. It was $261.72. It's called the Monogram Jacquard Shopper in black monogram. Baby, I'm not a big fan of monogram, but I just had to get this one because I was looking for another, just everyday bag or like a travel bag that you can take with you to on the airplane. On the airplane. I think this is just stuffing. But it has like a little metal zipper. My other light just cut off, y'all, but I'm gonna keep it rolling. And it has the Telfar. It emblem on there. More stuffing. And then look, keep it fresh, keep it fresh. The Telfar sticker. They say it's a hidden pocket, but I'm just trying to see what the hidden pocket is because this is the first one I've had, so I don't know what they're talking about. I don't know what they're talking about. Maybe they talking about this little zipper pocket right here. Little zipper pocket. It's a nicely made bag. It's 100% polyester is what I read online. Which whoever started this, let's pay premium prices for vegan leather and polyester, y'all need to cut it out. Cause I'm not trying to be paying leather prices. Cause you buy a Coach bag, honey, it's 100% leather of any varying level, and it's good quality. And I'm just trying to see why we're paying the same prices for polyester and vegan leather. But that's neither here nor there. But it's a good size bag. You can stick your whole life in there for sure. I'm still trying to see where they talking about this hidden pocket, because I just see a regular zip pocket in here. But nonetheless, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It was worth it for me. Maybe I'll come and do an update about the quality, how it lasts. Let me see. You know, yeah. Well, oh yeah. Little, yeah. I don't know. Yes, honey. I'm gonna come back and I might do like a little outfit of the day or something with it. Let y'all know how it stands, how it keeps up. But anywho, I just had to get on here. Y'all have to forgive how I look. I just threw some clothes on so I can go to lunch with, little one, two. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom. Your girl trying to get it together. They had a little margarita in one of the local places around here. I ain't gonna shout them out because they ain't paying your girl to do it. Alright. Y'all have an amazing day. And don't let nobody tear you down. And I'm gonna come back one time again and let y'all know how I really feel about this bag. Oh.